Hello guys, Dev here, and today in this video we will go over the software Sendpal. Stay until the very end. I'll show you the Sendpal, ratings, reviews, pros and cons, pricing and upsells, as well as my honest opinion of Sendpal. Let's start at what is Sendpal and ratings. Sendpal is an AI-driven WhatsApp responder, and using this software you can send bulk message to ultimate client for sell a product and services in few clicks. You can import or export multiple phone contact without any certain restrictions, moreover no need of any technical skills. List of ratings based by user experience. For this Sendpal dashboard was easy convenient, so I gave 7.5 ratings out of 10. For the WhatsApp autoresponder in Sendpal I gave 8 out of 10. For the pricing so that I gave 8 ratings out of 10. For value for money so I gave 7 ratings out of 10. For the profit conversion it's easy for beginners so I give 8 out of 10. So overall I gave 8.0 out of 10. Pros and cons and my personal opinion. Pros. Built-in AI chatbot. Sendpal came with built-in chart support so you can easily boost your sales and managing support services. No restrictions. Send limitless SMS without saving any contacts and access everything's in Sendpal dashboard. Add call to action and media. You can add media files such as photos, audio and videos in messages for better conversions and sales, as well as send now or schedule campaigns later. Cons. Commercial license is limited time, so if you want to buy the permanent one you need to pay upsell price. Some bugs in Sendpal dashboard: poor respond and working a bit slow. Some time will work on it. Let me show the backend area of this software. Sendpal pricing and upsells. Today, the price ranges from $17.61 for the basic version of Sendpal frontend. For the VIP version is bit optimized, $9 additional need to pay. OTO 1 Sendpal Pro $37. OTO 2 Sendpal Max $47. OTO 3 Sendpal Marketing Kit $67. OTO for Sendpal Agency $97. OTO 5 Sendpal Reseller $97. OTO 6 Sendpal $67. My honest opinion, the Sendpal, in my opinion, will benefit an online provider looking for many powerful money-making opportunities without a large investment. And first and foremost, I've been using SoftPro products and service for quite some time now and have been very pleased with the content and service they provide. If you're a product creator or affiliate marketer willing to skyrocket sales and commissions, it's very useful. Most interesting part is you can save more money in email autoresponder, but I am not sure about the sales conversion. There is a high chances you get blocked and the leads or not well targeted. But if you're a beginner not having any knowledge about cold sales, please don't touch this software. If you made some bucks in online marketplace, this thing will help your online journey very well. That's all for now, guys. If you want to buy the software, click the link I provided below the video, but read the entire sales page twice before doing so. And I give demo tutorial link also in this video description. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. In case any questions related to this software, just drop a comment. I'll reach you. Have a great week.